Congratulations to you for making it through the first two sections on the funnel and for making it to the end here on the bottom of the funnel. Certainly what we're looking at here and what's different than the other two is this is where we're looking to really close our customers, and this is where we're looking to continue to provide them with relevant information and to continue to be in front of them, put our brand in front of them through retargeting ads on Facebook, as well as our email campaigns that we'll have automated and built out. So like the middle of the funnel, we're going to focus here on Facebook retargeting, as well as on our email list, where we're going to keep delivering our sequences, of give, ask, sequencing as far as providing information related to when we're going to ask the user to give, to buy something from us, or to take an action, or to join a webinar or Facebook group or whatever it is, LinkedIn group that you have. It doesn't matter. So here at the bottom of the funnel, we're really focused on converting, and we're focused on not only providing things like we're showing here, like discount coupons and 25% off, and further product comparisons, but we're also trying to we're focusing more our funnel on people that have taken certain actions that we need to bring back, such as, for example, someone who's made it to our checkout cart but did not take the action, someone who's made it all the way to our checkout cart, put in their information but did not put in their payment information, and then someone who's put in completed all these steps as well as put in their payment information and then left. We want to bring those people back. There's a lot of value, and that's really where this part of the funnel is going to focus. Whereas on the middle and the top of the funnel, the top, like we've discussed, is all about bringing in cold leads. Middle of the funnel is where we start maturing those. We matriculate them through our information process, and we're testing continuously every element on both of our components of our emails and our Facebook ads, retargeting those people. So we've got a lot of work to do here at the bottom to really focus on tying up the three funnels that we're going to have in order to complete our sales process, because here at this point we're looking to put the purchase decision in front of them. So the purchase decision is really everything at the bottom of the funnel, and the way that we go about it is, yes, using incentives by targeting people that have already taken certain actions that need to be completed, so that we are able to get a higher and higher sales conversion ratio so that we're profitable. And certainly by going through each one of these steps in the funnel and continuously improving each one of these elements within the funnel is how you're going to be able to drive quality leads down here to the bottom that are verified leads, like, say, for example, people that have come back to your web page and information pages 2, 3, 4 times, maybe more, maybe less, but they have taken an action that shows a high level of interest, and now we're trying to get them. Let's say they've come all the way through the middle of the funnel, and they're at the bottom. They've seen it. Say we gave them a discount. We ran one of our, we did a 25% off, 24-hour period of time, and they may have come and they've made it all the way to the checkout, but they didn't complete. We need to put another ad back in front of them, and get back in front of them next time they're on Facebook, because time is a quality here, and getting them to complete that action. Maybe they got distracted, maybe tons of things is going to pull our attention from them completing it. But if they've made it there, they're interested, and it's time to now convert them. So we'll be focused on building strategies and funnels that use retargeting, as well as completing out the loop on the email chain. Here we're very focused on this email list because it's valuable. Our lists can be used, to say, for example, we can export our CSV file and upload it to AdWords, even Facebook, and be able to target people using this. So I mean, there's lots of ways that we can grow here at the bottom, and it's very important that we use our campaigns and build our incentives leading back, and especially targeting people that have already completed an action but that dropped off. We need to get them back to complete that action. So that's what this is going to focus on. And once again, focus on the elements, focus on the process of iteration. It's a continuous loop, and we want to always improve because we're not always going to be right, but we need to at least be close. Look forward to going through the rest of this course and getting ready for the next.